Yes, sir. We invited him, and I think he's not yet around, sir.
He's not around.
Yes.
That would be all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Akop.
Chairman.
May I ask from the COMSEC first, did the former Deputy Ombudsman Karandang confirm this attendance for today's hearing?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Congressman
Chairman.
Paduano.
With that, Mr. Chairman, I move that we issue once again an invitation to former Deputy Ombudsman Karandang. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there's a motion to invite again former Deputy Ombudsman Karandang in the next scheduled committee hearing of the Quad. Duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none. Motion is carried. COMSEC, you are directed to send invitation to Deputy Ombudsman Karandang again.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And Mr. Chairman, in receipt, this committee in receipt of a copy which is signed by Attorney Manuel Adrian Arugay, Legal Counsel of Okada, with regards to the subpoena issued to them for the winnings of Mr. Tony Yang, aka Yang Xian. We have already received, and they complied, Mr. Chairman. And Mr. Chairman,
May I know, Your Honor, if indeed Mr. Tony Yang won?
the figures that was stated is 5,007,780 pesos.
So there was a winning. From,
Yeah,
okay, thank you.
confirm, Mr. Chairman. Now, next, Mr. Chairman, we have here a request coming from Mr. Gumban asking for a regular medical checkup, and his last checkup was February 20, 2023. So with this, Mr. Chairman, and supposedly he will be scheduled for checkup this 10 December 2024. Mr. Chairman, with that, Mr. Chairman, I move that we will direct the medical officer of the House to check Mr. Gumban, and if the findings of our medical officer is favorable to the request, we will let Mr. Jimmy Gumban to have his regular checkup, Mr. Chairman. So move.
So, COMSEC, please coordinate closely with the House physician on the request of Mr. Jimmy Guban.
Mr. Chairman, we have with us a letter of excuse coming from the lawyers of Mr. Police Colonel Grijaldo. And once again, attached is a medical request from his doctor, a certain Dr. Montenegro, for a request to admit Colonel Grijaldo. But just to inform everyone, this is now the third time that Colonel Grijaldo was absent, and he sent us 3 excuse letter with the same reason, medical, Mr. Chairman. And with that, Mr. Chairman, to expedite the discussion, may I respectfully move, Mr. Chairman, that we...
Mr. Chair,
Sandali po.
before
I
you
am not yet
move,
finished.
Mr. Chair,
Wait,
if I may.
Wait,
Bahala kayo, Mr. Chairman, bahala kayo kung i-approve niyo yung motion ko o hindi.
no,
Diba? Now,
1 minute
or
suspension.
before Congressman Flores, yung medical officer niyo po, dapat i-check siya. Kasi Mr. Chairman, because of these 3 excuse letter, it's all about medical excuse. Mr. Chairman, if Colonel Grijaldo is making a mockery of this hearing and some police officers in collusion of Colonel Grijaldo, I will not hesitate to cite him in contempt in this committee and all those 20 officials involved to face cases doon po sa Napolcom. Kasi po, supposedly kayo po 1 month, hinayaan yung ganito. Of course, she's not absent without leave. Pero dapat naman po, you help us. You help this committee. 3 hearing wala siya. Under po sa pihaw.
Thank you.
I hope you will submit those documents today. General.
If I may, sir.
Yes.
We are helping. We are helping.
Sandali
sir.
po. Can you submit those documents I mentioned today?
Yes, sir. We will submit po.
Or submit it today?
Yes, sir.
Please proceed.
We are helping the committee, sir, in this endeavor. Actually, sir, when you receive the notice that there is a Quadcom hearing for today, I canceled the leave for November 27, just for this purpose po, sir.
You cancel what?
The leave po, sir.
Your leave?
No, sir, the leave of Colonel Grijaldo.
Also, you cancel all the leaves.
Only for this November 27 po.
So, he's not on leave.
He is not, sir, because he...
Okay, now, General, you check. Because the latest excuse letter of Colonel Biardo is dated ano po? November, I think November 23.
26.
Saan ba yun?
26.
Okay, November 26. But, that was 3 days ago. But, yesterday. But, ito, Jenap, please take note of this. But the date of the medical request of his doctor was dated 11/23/2024. Eh baka pati kayo, niloloko nyo na. Paki-check lang po.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Let me proceed. Can I proceed, Mr. Chairman?
Okay, please proceed.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
With the indulgence of Congressman Caraps Paduano, Congressman Acop, and then is this in relation to the admin
Yes.
matters that we are discussing?
Yes,
Okay,
the current matter po.
After Congressman Acop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Acop, you're recognized.
May I request, Mr. Chair, that the head of the PHAW would answer my questions?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Iha, ano po ba yung rule sa PHAW regarding officers assigned there without any official assignment? Are they supposed to report there every day?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, when I assumed as the Chief PHAW last October 17 of
Yeah.
this year,
Hindi ko po tinatanong kung kailan ka nag-assume.
yes, sir.
Ang tinatanong ko, ano po yung batas po ninyo sa PHAW tungkol doon sa mga opisyal na walang assignment na na-assign po dyan?
Yes, sir.
Ano po yung rule ninyo? Are they supposed to report there daily?
Sir, pursuant to PNP Memorandum Circular Number 2024-001, dated January 10, 2024, it states here, sir, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, if I may read. Accounting. The system of recording the actual strength of PNP personnel placed on PHAW, DPRM, RPHAS, or ARMD through physical or virtual accounting and station/office visits and the affixing of signatures of the personnel on the attendance sheet provided by the office. Sir, effective November 11, sir, when TDPRM, Police Brigadier General Chinayog, issued a memorandum that starting November 11, it will start the physical accounting of all PHAW personnel, sir. So when I assume office, sir, my predecessors accounts all the PHAW personnel assigning PHAW, sir, virtual accounting. So effective November 11, sir, by virtue of the memorandum issued by Police Brigadier General Chinayog, the TDPRM, sir, we assume and we start the physical accounting to all PHAW